Okay, so it says that a machine pulls a 40 kg trunk 2 meter up a 40 ramp at constant velocity. So this is like the ramp, 40 degree, and the trunk is for 40 kg, so the mass is 40 kg, and this ramp is 2 meter in length, so that's there, and it goes in a constant velocity, uh, and the machine's force is on the trunk directed parallel to the trunk, so to the ramp, sorry. The coefficient of kinetic friction between the trunk and the ramp is 0.4. So the first part is the work done on the trunk by the machine's force. So the work done will of course be, first of all, as the process of the trunk going from the bottom position to here to the top position, its potential energy increases, and that increases by mgh, h being this height. So mg, and since this is, the height is not given, what is given is the ramp length and the inclination angle. So that will be, length is 2, so 2 sine 40 degree, so that will be the height, because this is 2 and h will be sine 40 degree, 2 times sine 40 degree. So that is the work done there. In addition, there is a kinetic friction between the ramp and the trunk, and that is given 0.4. so this is one portion of the work done, so I will probably write it here, sorry, I don't know what's happening,